in downtown here and come to the Salvador Dali Museum, you are missing out. It is super cool. Been there a few times. I had to come down here on business, and the storm's rolling in. This is Tuesday. What time? It's right about 8 o'clock, and it's not really going to roll in until like 2 o'clock in the morning. Wind's definitely picking up, but and like the main part of the city down here is just dead. There's still quite a fair amount of people walking around. I don't know, just thought I would shoot a quick little video. Some of that pre-game. I'm out here with my Dunkin' coffee mug, but we'll see. I am staying in a hotel right across the street, so I should have a good view tonight. Storm, maybe hurricane level action. But I think it's going to be alright. Anyway, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Come check out the Dali Museum down here in St. Petersburg. It is awesome. And I'll catch you on the next video.